Every leader faces moments that can define a career, but have you ever wondered what's really taking over your mind at the crossroads of big decisions? The secrets lie deep within your brain's wiring, and tapping into them could transform your leadership forever. Inside your brain, networks like the prefrontal cortex act as your control center, weighing priorities, suppressing impulses, and projecting future outcomes. Meanwhile, the limbic system, including the amygdala, injects powerful emotions into the equation: fight, flight, or freeze. Balancing these forces is no easy task. Here's the kicker. Under pressure, your brain tends to lean on shortcuts called heuristics. They're fast, but they're not always right. Think of them as instant gut feelings that can override careful reasoning. This is where awareness is a leader's secret weapon. Recognizing when your stress response is hijacking rational thought gives you a chance to pause, reflect, and choose a better path. Leaders who understand the neuroscience of decision-making cultivate habits that strengthen the brain's decision circuits. Mindfulness, regular reflection, and deliberately seeking diverse viewpoints all encourage the prefrontal cortex to stay in charge, turning tough calls from instinctive to intentional. So the next time you're faced with a high-stakes choice, remember, your brain is both a source of insight and a battleground of bias. True leadership isn't about conquering uncertainty, but navigating it skillfully, with an awareness of the biology driving every decision you make.